So in this video, I'll share what tapping is, why it works, and how to do it. So tapping, which is also known as Emotional Freedom Technique or EFT, is a holistic healing method that combines ancient Chinese acupressure and modern psychology. It involves gently tapping on specific points with your fingertips while focusing on and addressing emotional and physical issues. The points correspond to the energy meridians that run throughout your body. And scientific research shows that tapping allows the brain and the body to release negative emotions and stress, as well as to calm and regulate our central nervous system. To date, there are over 240 published studies that have shown the benefits of this simple yet effective practice. When you play one of the tapping meditations, you'll see two lovely avatars. This is where we'll be lighting up the points for you to follow along with as you tap. As you listen to the meditation, you'll be using your fingers to literally tap on various points on the face and body. These points are places where the energy meridians terminate. At the beginning of each meditation, I'll ask you to rate your current state, and then again at the end. This is a really important step because it helps you to become aware of any and all improvements. Now, we start by tapping gently on the side of the hand, whichever hand feels right for you. We tap continuously with firm pressure while we repeat the meditative phrases, inwardly or out loud. You'll notice that at the beginning of each session, we start by acknowledging the negative. This allows us to honor what's going on inside and reduce any resistance, all the while sending a calming signal to the mind-body via the tapping. Then we move to the points of the face. The eyebrow is the first one. This is where the hair of your eyebrow begins. You can tap on one side only or use both hands, whichever you prefer. The energy meridians run on both sides of your body, so it's okay if you tap on just one side or both. Sometimes, as you tap, I'll ask you to repeat after me, and sometimes I'll simply guide you to think about something. Our next point is on the side of the eye. This is on the bone right by the eye. If you are on the temple, that's too far over. Use a tapping pressure that is firm but gentle. Next is underneath the eye. Tap on the bone directly under either eye or both. Then under the nose. Tap directly under your nose, just above your top lip. Next, under the mouth. Tap on the crease between your lower lip and chin. Then we move on to the collarbone point. Start on the bone and go down an inch or so, just below the bone, and tap. Use either the pads of your fingers on one hand or your whole hand. You can also do both sides at the same time. The next point is under the arm. Either side of the body works. Use your whole hand or fingertips to tap. You're tapping about where your bra strap lies. And lastly, we tap on the top of the head. Use your fingertips to tap right on the crown of your head. And that's it. That's one basic round of tapping. You'll do several rounds with each tapping meditation. And at the end, I'll invite you to rate your number once more. And voila, that's it. Now you know the tapping basics and you're ready to get started with one of the tapping meditations. I'll meet you there.